Hello, you're watching Bearwood West Yard, and today I'm going to be unveiling a new series of videos with you. Over the past month or so, I've been trying my hand at weathering, which isn't the easiest of things to do, and I've been posting my results online on Facebook. The feedback I've received has completely struck me, especially because I'm a beginner, and some people even wanted to know how I'd achieved it as they'd liked it so much, and that's brought me to why I'm doing this series. When you hear the word weathering, most people associate it with an airbrush, a steady hand, lots of skill, etc., and sometimes ruin stock when it's gone wrong. And in this series, I'm going to be trying to break down that stereotype and show you how simple and straightforward it is to produce beautifully weathered stock. When I do my weathering, there is no airbrush whatsoever, and no matter how skilled you might be, or may not be, I'm going to take you through the processes of how I weathered my stock. Before anyone asks, these videos will be uploaded fortnightly, so every 2 weeks, and this is to prevent falling behind on college work and also to enable time to weather and test on other items of stock that I've got before I can then put them in front of the camera and show you how I did it so you can replicate it at home. As you can see in front of you right now, these are two wagons that attracted attention on Facebook, so the rusted 16-ton mineral wagon and the Freightliner green HIA, which is currently in use to ship or to move bulk, sand and aggregate, and as you can see on the side, it is in use with Freightliner. The stock being weathered will cross eras, so as you can see, 16-ton mineral wagon, that's BR, that's in my heritage rake, and then that green HIA is modern image. So there will be some era crossing, and it's mainly in order to cater for multiple audiences, as the one thing I've noticed on YouTube is that there's not a lot of how-tos on weathering because it's such a difficult topic. There's lots of different wagons require different grades of weathering. Some can be quite subtle, others can be really heavy, so I thought it'd be nice to create a series where I can actually go through it with you and you can replicate it at home, as weathering is not the easiest of things to do. Right, so diary time. The first video will be uploaded on Saturday the 19th of January 2019, and that will be of the 16-ton mineral wagon being rusted up, so that's the date for your diaries. That's all I've got for now, so feel free to comment if you've got any questions, and if you don't want to miss a thing, then please do hit that subscribe button. So take care and see you in the upcoming videos.